Look closely at your hand. See those fine lines, the subtle changes in skin tone. That's not just the passage of time. It's a constant microscopic battle happening inside every single cell in your body. Imagine a tiny factory, perfectly organized, humming along for years. Then, slowly, almost imperceptibly, parts start to wear down. The conveyor belts jam, the machines get rusty, and the quality of the product, your body's functions, starts to drop. This isn't some distant abstract concept. This is cellular degradation, and it's the fundamental process behind everything we associate with aging. Now, picture a single cell, one of billions that make you right at this moment. It's supposed to be vibrant, efficient, repairing itself as needed. But instead, it's sluggish. Its outer membrane, once smooth and flexible, is now a bit stiffer. Inside, the powerhouses, the mitochondria, are less effective, struggling to produce the energy the cell needs. Waste products, like tiny toxic dust, are building up, making it harder for the cell to breathe, to communicate, to perform its job. This isn't just about wrinkles or grey hair. This is about your organs, your energy levels, your mind. It's a silent daily struggle, a gradual decline that we all witness, feel, and at some point try to fight. There's a deep, quiet yearning in all of us, isn't there? A wish to rewind the clock, not just to look younger, but to feel younger, to have that boundless energy, that quick wit, that effortless recovery from a late night or a tough workout. It's a desire to regain what was lost, to reclaim a vitality that seems to slip away little by little, year after year. We see it in the choices people make, the products they buy, the routines they adopt. This isn't vanity. It's a fundamental human impulse to thrive, to live fully, for as long as possible. We all want to turn back time, even just a little. The clock ticks for all, but for some, it can be reset. For centuries, this idea felt like pure fantasy, confined to myths and legends. Aging was an unbreakable law of nature, a one-way street with no U-turns. But what if that's not entirely true anymore? What if the relentless march of time, that seemingly irreversible process, can actually be influenced, slowed down, or even, in some remarkable ways, reversed? Is it possible that modern science has finally cracked the code, finding genuine ways to defy our biological norms, not just to slow the inevitable, but to truly press the reset button on our own biology? Before we delve into these revolutionary findings, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest breakthroughs. And tell us where you're watching from in the comments below. We love hearing from our global community. Your insights and questions fuel our journey into the cutting edge of science. We're about to explore 3 scientific advancements that are changing everything we thought we knew about aging. These aren't theories or wishful thinking. These are real, science-based methods showing measurable effects. Get ready to have your perspective on life, time, and human potential completely transformed. This isn't a dream. It's happening now. For a long time, humanity has chased the idea of living forever, or at least living much longer, much healthier. Think about the old stories of the fountain of youth, or alchemists trying to find the elixir of life. These weren't just made-up tales. They showed a deep, ancient wish to escape aging. For centuries, the best minds could only guess about why we aged. Was it a poison building up in the body? Was it simply a matter of wear and tear, like a machine wearing out? Doctors and scientists tried all sorts of things, from strange diets to bizarre treatments, all based on very limited understanding. The real shift started happening when we moved from myths to actual science, from guessing to looking at things under a microscope. But even then, progress was slow and often frustrating. For a long time, aging was seen as a complex, messy process that couldn't be untangled. People just accepted it as a part of life, a natural progression that everyone goes through. You get older, you get weaker, you get sick more often. That was just how it was. In our daily lives, this means a lot of things. It means needing glasses to read, struggling to open a jar, or feeling tired after doing something that used to be easy. It means worrying about things like heart disease, diabetes, or memory loss. We see our parents and grandparents go through it, and we know it's coming for us too. The environment we live in, the food we eat, the stress we carry, all these things add up, causing tiny bits of damage to our cells every single day. It's like a constant drip, drip, drip that slowly fills up a bucket. You don't notice it at first, but eventually the bucket overflows. Back in the day, scientists hit a lot of walls. For example, some thought aging was just about cells stopping dividing. They called it the Hayflick limit. While true that cells have a limit, it wasn't the whole story, and focusing too much on it made people think aging was simply unavoidable. Another big idea was the free radical theory, where unstable molecules damaged everything. This led to a huge craze for antioxidants, with people popping pills hoping to stop aging. But the results were often disappointing, showing that while free radicals play a part, they aren't the only cause, and simply taking supplements wasn't the magic bullet. These dead ends created a lot of skepticism, making it harder for real breakthroughs to be taken seriously. There was also this underlying pressure, a quiet anxiety about aging that influenced research. Society often praises youth and shuns old age. This created a rush for quick fixes, for cosmetic solutions, rather than deep biological understanding. Companies pushed anti-aging creams and supplements with little science behind them, promising miracles. This eroded trust in the whole idea of anti-aging, making people think it was all just snake oil. The frustration mounted not just for the public, but for dedicated scientists who genuinely sought answers, but were often overshadowed by flashy, unproven claims. The scientific community struggled to separate serious research from wishful thinking, and this made the path to real solutions even more difficult to navigate. Then came a turning point, a real shift in how we understood aging. Scientists stopped just guessing and started looking deep inside our cells. They began to uncover the specific pathways and tiny molecules that control how we age. It wasn't just random wear and tear. There were actual programs running inside us, and some of them could be tweaked. This new understanding opened doors that had been closed for centuries, leading to genuine strategies to push back against the clock. Now, let's talk about 3 major breakthroughs that are actually showing measurable effects in reversing cellular aging, not just slowing it down. Breakthrough number 1 focuses on something called cellular senescence. Imagine some cells in your body get old and stop working right. But instead of dying off, they stick around like grumpy old neighbors, causing trouble for the healthy cells around them. These are called senescent cells. Scientists developed compounds called senolytics that can specifically target and eliminate these troublesome cells. Think of it like a spring cleaning for your body. Studies, some even in humans, have shown that getting rid of these senescent cells can improve health and extend lifespan in animals. It helps with things like joint health, kidney function, and even memory. The evidence suggests that by clearing out these bad actors, we can allow healthier cells to thrive and tissues to rejuvenate. The second major breakthrough involves epigenetic reprogramming. Our DNA contains all our genetic information, but epigenetics is like the software that tells the DNA what to do, turning genes on or off. As we age, this software gets messy, leading to cells forgetting how to function properly. Scientists like Dr. David Sinclair and others have been exploring ways to reset this epigenetic clock, essentially making old cells behave like younger ones. This often involves specific molecules or even gene therapies that can restore youthful gene expression patterns. For instance, some research has shown that reactivating certain genes associated with development can revert mature cells to a more youthful state, improving their function and even reversing age-related damage in tissues. It's like defragmenting your computer's hard drive, making everything run smoothly again. Finally, breakthrough number 3 looks at metabolism and nutrient-sensing pathways. Our bodies have sophisticated systems that respond to what we eat and when we eat it. Pathways like mTOR and sirtuins are key players here. When these pathways are modulated, often through specific dietary interventions like intermittent fasting or calorie restriction, or even with certain natural compounds, they can trigger cellular repair mechanisms and improve stress resistance. For example, compounds like resveratrol or metformin, which mimic the effects of calorie restriction, have shown promise in laboratory settings by activating these protective pathways, leading to improved cellular health and longevity. It's not about starving yourself, but about eating in a way that tells your cells to switch into repair and protect mode rather than constant growth and accumulation mode. Of course, it's important to have a balanced view. While these breakthroughs are incredibly exciting and backed by solid science, they aren't magic pills yet. Most of these methods are still under active research, with human trials ongoing or in early stages. Accessibility is a big question, and we need to consider the ethical implications of extending human lifespan significantly. Safety is paramount, and scientists are working hard to ensure these interventions are not only effective, but also harmless in the long run. The promise is immense. A future where aging isn't a relentless decline, but a manageable process, allowing us to live healthier, more vibrant lives for longer. The human relationship with time is changing, and the potential for a healthier, extended lifespan is no longer just science fiction. It's becoming a scientific reality.